We're almost there. My bartender, bouncer. I'm in Miami, bitch. Guys, welcome back. It's been a while right now. This is gonna be my first video after a while. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I made this house party real, and it took a lot. I was talking with my friends, and one day I was like, I want to make a house party because I'm moving out. And my friend was like, oh yeah, it's my birthday and whatever. And I was like, okay, like I'm moving out and we can do something about it, because I always want to do a house party because I like organizing things and making parties and all that stuff. So ever since I came to America, this is my very first party, and I want to take you with me to show you how I made this possible. So at first I was asking around like how are we gonna have it and stuff. So biggest thing is you have to have like social environment to like ask some people if it's gonna be possible, because I came in like a year ago right now. So I was asking my friends, I'm working at the gym as you guys know as well, like I was asking around, I was like, guys, like I wanna hold a party and all that stuff, and then the house is empty. So, and then I started asking around and the people said like, oh okay, we can do it, whatever. So I've done a party back in 2019 when I first came to America. I think it's one of the videos as well. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, I'm gonna put this in the beginning, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and I'm really active there as well. And we have some guests. Let's see who we got right now. They are my friends that are gonna help me out because the party didn't start yet. Let's see who we got.
Yo, police, we're here to like shut this shit
What's
down.
good, man?
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up?
How you doing, man?
Good, how you doing?
What's up? How you doing, my guy? Doing good?
Yeah.
So yeah, they're gonna. It's Jordan's birthday, by the way, and they're gonna help us out as well.
People, you know, like.
And Jordan's best friends. I know you, man. Oh my God, man. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? My friends, Antonicito. You guys know Antonio already. Osvaldo, what's up, my guy? How you doing? And.
Good, how are you? Oh, shit, I just saw you, man.
So, I mean, basically, we planned it together also with Jordan, by the way. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. We didn't pay much. We just collected some money. It's like $5 from people. And I got the speaker, but I should return it the next day. And this is gonna be like an empty house. I'm gonna talk with the neighbors right now, try to make it possible. While talking with the neighbors, I don't think I'm gonna be able to shoot. We're gonna go talk with the neighbors right now, actually. Yeah. So we should be good right now, and I'll take you guys with me once the party starts, and Violetta behind the camera will help us out. Thank you very much.
Supreme.
I'll see you guys later. Are we good? No, not Latino right now. Wait, I'm gonna go later.
Yeah, we have all of this.
It should be like this. You should put a lot of it. Let me put some here.
We're almost there. My bartender, bouncer, birthday boy, and you're gonna get a lot of girls. Second bouncer, taper, and we got like a certified bartender. So we're getting ready right now. We talked with the neighbors. They were pretty fine with it. Everything went well. Everything went smooth. Everybody's waiting on people right now. I'm eating, and we should start in a minute. And if the party starts, I'm gonna be in another mood. So just stay tuned for that.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
You can ask me a question, but not music. Question.
Are you gonna drink?
I'm drinking. Give me another cold brew. So we got cold brew with Jägermeister. That is insane. You know, Jäger, they used to like use that in World War II, I guess, or 1. 3 didn't happen yet, hopefully. World War II and 1.
From your fans. I'm good.
How are you? So they were using it like to heal people as a medicine, like they were giving it to people, this one, and then they made it with cold brew right now, which I really liked it. I mean, I hope I'm not gonna have a heart attack because it's cold brew as well. It's gonna be fun. You're not gonna see 45 people here at 12. I'm leaving. I'm quitting Red. Okay. Alright, you guys, the party's over. It was a good party. It was a great party. I just want to tell you my opinions about it. We couldn't shoot much also. I'm just gonna take a quick walk and tell you a couple of things that I thought it was interesting and I thought it was fun. Party was fun. We had to end it at 12:30, which I was expecting to end at like 1:30 or something, because usually I've never done a party there, right? My neighbors, they're pretty cool, but it's like a low class apartment complex, let's say low or mid. So people are working during the weekends as well and stuff. So till 11:30 everyone was great, everything was great, and then we started having problems because the downstairs, like our neighbor, one of the neighbors said like, I'm gonna go up tomorrow work, and we started having a lot of noise. I went downstairs. Luckily my neighbor in front of me, he kind of helped me out, so I went downstairs. I was like, okay, some of my friends just showed up, so I need to like keep this going a bit more because they just showed up and I've never done a party here like for a year, and he looked already pissed though. So I was like, can we make it till 12:30 at least? But the biggest thing is, if you're gonna go back and watch my old videos about like Erasmus and all that stuff, you'll see that I was making parties and all that stuff in our student apartment complex. The biggest thing is, I would love doing this kind of stuff, but if you're making a real party, like if you wanna make a real party, that's a lot. Like if you wanna take the people from scratch, like from beginning to till the end, that's kind of tough to make. So usually I feel like, I think I can make like pre-parties, if you know what I mean. Because like after a while, people are gonna get so drunk, you're gonna get noise complaints even further and all that stuff. So that's pretty hard to deal with, especially if you're living in an apartment complex where, you know, you have people around you and all that stuff. That's pretty tough. So I would say like, if you have like a house and if it's empty, if no one is living, or if you just living, and if you can move things around, that's it. If you're not gonna get a noise complaint also, that's a great place to make parties. But still, if you're inviting random people, there are a lot of things to reconsider, guys. Like couple of times, multiple times. Even if you're inviting your friends, still, for example, yesterday I saw a gum on the floor. Like someone just put their gum on the floor, or maybe they just threw it. I don't know. So toilets were pretty clean, but the thing is, the party lasted like, if people started coming at like what, 10, 11, the party lasted like almost 2 hours. So they cannot do much. I'm just trying to give you my insights about like how to make parties and all that stuff, if you like it, if you like doing this. So that's why. But if you were to keep going till 2, that would have been an issue, because you know, people were getting drunk, noise was getting higher, like people were like, oh, and then people were jumping, and we were like, literally the floor was bouncing. These are the biggest things, I would say. So that's why I think we ended in a great time. If we were to end it like at 1:30, that will be still fine. But like, I was like, since we're gonna end it early, I want to keep it like pre-party, so people can go somewhere. I did the same. I was like asking my friends, guys, like, are you guys going somewhere else? So I would like to do that. So I think that's the biggest thing. If you want to do pre-parties, that's way easier. Like pre-party before going to blah blah starts at 9 and at 12, 12:30 or 12. But I think 12 is an ideal time because clubs are closing at 2:30 here. So if you're gonna stay in the club 2 hours, that's perfect. Yeah, 9 to 10 to 12, 10 to 12 especially, amazing. That was my biggest thing. I also, let me tell you another perspective. I created a group chat, posted the rules there, posted the flyer. I was saying like in the group, communication is key here, just like anywhere else. I was saying like, okay guys, we might keep the party going till 2. So like pay attention to that and stuff. And I could have said, guys, please come early. The party might end early because of the neighbors. So please be there at 10. Like I wasn't specifying that very much. So that was kind of a fault, a mistake that I've done from my end, which I wasn't expecting, unfortunately. But that was the biggest thing. Other than that, other than the fact that the party ended like at 12:30, I think everything went pretty smooth. I was expecting a better ratio, like, you know, more girls, less guys. But like, since it's my first party, I talked with many people. They were like, oh, it's a good party, whatever. And I got a speaker, and people were like talking about how good the music was. He had a bartender as well. He was helping us out. I was like making sure everyone has their things. We had like signs on the walls like keep the door closed, no entry in the store, clean after use in the restrooms, which I said, like, I'm gonna say again, some people like went really bad. They were like puking and stuff, but still restrooms were pretty good. I went yesterday morning and the restrooms were completely fine, which I wasn't expecting. I just cleaned the counter and stuff because, you know, people are spilling drinks and all that stuff, which is completely fine. Everyone is drunk. These were the biggest things that I would like encourage you to do. Again, communication, invite people you know, or like ask them that who they're inviting and are they like cool. And you know, even though you're gonna try to keep the ratio, it's gonna get worse all the time. But maybe again, if you're gonna start like that, if you're gonna establish your, you know, existence, your presence. For example, I was saying this, a lot of girls told me like, oh yeah, I didn't know this party was gonna be this good. I thought it was like a hangout. So next time my friends, my girlfriends, they were like pretty cautious about it. They were like pretty, you know, distant about it. And then when I started sending them the videos and stuff, girls dancing and stuff, because there were girls there, they were like, oh, I'm gonna come next time. I didn't know it was like this. You know what I mean? Since it's my last party, people don't know, right? So I'm organizing something. People might think like, because, you know, like I'm a guy as well, like, it's gonna be a bunch of guys. You know what I mean? So again, that's all about communication. So the biggest thing is right now, if I were to host another party, which is not possible right now, people are going to start talking about it. Things are going to circulate. You know what I mean? They're going to be like, oh yeah, the party was so good. Yeah, guest party. Yeah, why didn't you come? You know what I mean? Like good things and maybe bad things as well. I don't know. So if you don't have products, don't have package, you can always borrow it from your friends. You can always ask for speaker, ask for lights, which again, some of my friends did. You don't have to spend much, but again, still, since you're making this party, you're taking all this responsibility, you can ask kindly $5-10 from your friends or from the people who are coming to contribute to the party, which makes sense. I'm gonna go swim a little bit, and then this is the video of this party vlog. It was a fun video. I couldn't shoot party too much, but like I said, I wanted to keep it more like informative rather than like, oh, she's taking drinks and stuff. Because I know some of you out there, like you guys like organizing things, you know, throwing parties, making people happy. That's all it is about. I like the same. I was trying to make sure like everyone was enjoying and all that stuff, and which a lot of people told me so. And yeah, you cannot keep everyone happy at the same time, but since you're organizing something, you have to make sure that at least the majority of people are, you know, enjoying themselves in this hospitality field, let's say, which was really fun. Till the next video, guys, stay tuned. Follow my social medias, TikTok, Instagram. I'm more active there. Things are going really well there. YouTube is really hard to make because I have multiple jobs and I am studying at the same time, doing masters. But I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys are gonna start liking this English type content, or just let me know if I need to open a new channel for you so you can follow me for English there, or I can post some Turkish videos in here in this channel as well. I'll see you guys later.